Hello everyone. Let's resume our class of foundation engineering. We started chapter number 6 previously, and the first lesson we did just the introduction, and this time we are going for the second point, combined footing. Okay, how does it work? I think we all know the definition of combined footing now, since last time we learned about it, we talked about it. So we show that there are different type of combined footing, and one of them was rectangular combined footing. And today's lesson we will focus only on that one. Okay, and next time we will see another one. This one is, as the name indicated, the shape is rectangular. Okay, here is an example. You can see the shape is rectangular. Okay, so when do we have to do this kind of combined footing exactly? Okay, so we do it in case of if you are to do, for example, straight footing, isolated foundation, your foundation would go beyond property line. Okay, imagine you have your land and the limit of your land is known. You know your limit of your land. If you want to go to do a foundation, you want to build a house near the limit of your land. Okay, and if you want to do a isolated footing, the size would be over the limit, and you cannot go to the neighbor's uh, land to build your foundation. So in that case, you have this kind of solution. Okay, it doesn't have to be always rectangular foundation combined, but it can be also sometimes just trap combined foundation footing. Okay, so this is the rectangular one, and if we go for schematic view, we will have something like this. This is section, vertical section of the foundation. So you can see one column, another one here, two columns coming on the one foundation. And if we change the view, this kind of view, we have this kind of thing. And this is the dimension of the footing. This is the width B and the length of foundation L. And you can see here the property line means the limit of your property, maybe your land. Okay, so we will see in this lesson how to design, how to obtain the dimension of this footing. Simply like that. We will not go uh, deeper because I want you to just learn it step by step. So how can we obtain B, the value of B in L? Okay, because we need that to uniformly uh, maybe spread the pressure on the ground so that it can support both load coming from column 1 and column 2, Q1 and Q2. Okay, that's the objective. Okay, let's put all this here. So the size of your footing, okay, L by B, okay, the area, we can determine it because this is the objective. If we know the allowable net pressure, okay, it means you do site investigation. I mean like CPT, SPT, and you know that at this depth, your foundation depth, the allowable net pressure is like this, or you calculate uh, the net pressure. When I say net pressure, it will net bearing capacity.